Wine is a delicacy that should be enjoyed in high-quality wine glasses, giving the wine a pleasant aroma while helping you relax and unwind. Stemless glasses are a top choice among those who are looking for sleek, stylish wine glasses that are perfect for all kinds of events. Suitable for a variety of beverages, these unique glasses enhance the flavor of your drink to promote better tasting. Plus, these versatile glasses make an excellent gift for your wine aficionado loved ones and friends. But choosing the right set of stemless wine glasses can be confusing. It's important to purchase glasses that are of a superior quality, ideally from a reputable brand, so you can be sure your wine glasses are durable and long-lasting. To help add some style to your next party, we've reviewed the top-rated stemless wine glasses of 2023. Number 1. Joy Jolt Stemless Wine Glasses. The Joy Jolt Stemless Wine Glasses are made from durable, long-lasting glass. Featuring a classic design with a touch of elegance, you can impress your friends at all kinds of events with this set of 4 glasses. Plus, thanks to their shatter-resistant body and their stemless base to enhance stability, you can rest assured that these glasses are tough to break. With a generous 15 fluid ounce capacity, you and your guests can enjoy your favorite drinks. What's more, these wine glasses feature a bowl shape that enhances the wine's flavor, allowing you to enjoy your drink from the first sip to the last. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to their dishwasher-safe properties. If you have a wine-loving friend, these stemless glasses are the perfect gift. Number 2. Elixir Glassware Stemless Wine Glass. Experience the beauty of drinking a glass of fine wine with the Elixir Glassware Stemless Wine Glasses. These hand-blown glasses are crafted of lead-free, ultra-clarity crystal and come in a set of 4. The contemporary stemless body allows for sparkling red, white, and other wines to be enjoyed without the worry of breakage or instability. Each glass is carefully shaped and polished with a wide rim that guides the wine to the center of the tongue, allowing for flavor profiles of acidity, tannin, and fruit to be fully appreciated by those partaking in their use. This unique work of art makes for a great gift to celebrate special occasions such as weddings, anniversaries, and housewarmings. The thick, protective gift box packaging that each set of glasses comes in guarantees that your gift will arrive promptly and in perfect condition. Number 3. Mikasa Stemless Wine Glasses. The Mikasa Stemless Wine Glasses come in fun, whimsical designs that set a festive mood for any gathering. Made from high-quality glass, this stylish set is sure to last for many years to come. Featuring a capacity of 17 fluid ounces, you can enjoy your favorite red, white, or rosé wine in these generously sized glasses. What's more, each glass is precision-etched with a coordinating design so your guests will always know which glass is theirs. Ideal for all kinds of beverages, you can set the mood of any casual party with these glasses. Plus, they're available in sets of 4 and 8, so you can buy whichever set suits your needs. Each glass is precision-etched with a different yet coordinating design so your guests can easily identify their glass. These stemless glasses are the perfect shape for casual entertaining, perfect for your favorite white wine and cocktails, or use as a water or juice glass. Number 4. Chef's Star Stemless Wine Glasses. The Chef's Star Stemless Wine Glasses are made of durable, shatterproof glass. Plus, their sturdy base maintains the temperature of your drink. Featuring a classy touch of sophistication, you'll be sure to impress your friends and loved ones at any event with these glasses. Specifically designed for wine enthusiasts to add a timeless set of glasses to their collection, these stemless wine glasses feature a long-lasting, unbreakable finish. As an added bonus, these glasses are extremely easy to clean. Just pop them in the dishwasher or rinse them by hand. Coming in sets of 2, 4, 6, and 12, you'll be sure to find the right quantity for your next gathering. Designed with wine and scotch lovers in mind, each wine glass is curved to fit perfectly into your palm, and is deep enough for you to drink from without constantly getting up for refills. This set of stemless wine glasses is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Easy to grip and with holding capacity of up to 15 ounces, these short wine glasses are both comfy and practical. Number 5. Riedel Stemless Wine Glasses. Designed specifically for Cabernet, these stemless wine glasses by Riedel are made from top-notch crystal, which provides an elegant finish to any fine wine. Coming in a set of 4, these high-quality, generously sized glasses are well worth the investment. With a 21 fluid ounce capacity, these glasses are perfect for releasing your favorite wine's aroma. Plus, these glasses are dishwasher safe, reducing your time spent cleaning up in the kitchen. As an added bonus, you can also purchase these glasses with a decanter. The modern design makes them fit wherever you need them to, Whether it's in the dishwasher, the picnic basket, minibar or kitchenette,